Hey guys, so in this time I'm gonna show you my rainbow loom. So I don't know if this is the original one, but I don't care. So now let's open it. I'm gonna write up my name over here. So I've just used it for tons of times. So I've made butterfly charm, and I don't. I just watched this, and then is a spiral. I don't understand it. And this is Candy Rocks. I think this is the let's see. So okay, so this is the flower ones, and this is the Starburst. I just thought about it. And this is the Blue Man. And also this is the Butterfly Blossom. And then I got these instructions, my hook, and my rainbow, and my loom. Just wait. Oh, how to open this one. So here it is, and then also with the board. This kind of big board. And then this bag, and also all of my C and S loops, my other tools, and also all of my lumbas that I've made. And also I got a neon colored, oh man, what is that? Neon colored toon bands that I all have. I hope you can see them because okay, look like this. They are, most of them are neon colored like this. Neon colored. Put them all in a jar. Then for setups. Also gonna put this up here and then close. And that is my rainbow loom set. And I'm really thankful for my mother by giving me this. My brother also have one of this, and I really love it. Thank you guys for watching my video. So bye. I'm also have a shout out from last week's video, last week videos. From my old videos is Bianca De Luna, Raan Bless de Gastas, Weng Ignok, and thank you guys. Bye.